What happens to Bitcoin after all 21 million are mined? Bitcoin is like digital gold in many ways. Like gold, Bitcoin cannot simply be created arbitrarily. It requires work to extract. While gold must be extracted from the physical earth, Bitcoin must be mined via computational means. Bitcoin has a finite supply, and it's predicted that the last Bitcoin to be mined till 2040. 2,345,631.3 Bitcoin left to be mined, 88.830% of Bitcoin issued, 18,654,368.75 total. Bitcoin in existence, 900 new Bitcoins are mined per day. Total Bitcoin, 21 million, finite supply. The majority of the Bitcoin supply at the moment is controlled by a dozen big companies. The top three that I'm aware of at this moment are MicroStrategy, Grayscale, PayPal. It's been said about Bitcoin that it will be above $100,000 per Bitcoin in 2021. It's been speculated that Bitcoin will break the $500,000 barrier in less than 10 years, especially if the majority of its supply is controlled by a dozen big companies. These dozen companies have locked into long-term contracts/agreements with the majority of the existing Bitcoin miners, which means that these companies control the majority of the Bitcoin supply now and the upcoming Bitcoin that will be mined. It has been said that if you want to be in the 1% of the Bitcoin holders, in the long run, you need to own at least 0.1 Bitcoin, which is equivalent to 10% of the current price of the Bitcoin. And to be in the elite top percent of Bitcoin hodlers, you would need to hodl at least 0.01 Bitcoin, which is equivalent to 1% of its current price. Let's look at what the price of the Bitcoin that can be when we know these factors. My prediction, price per Bitcoin after 10 plus years if you HODL, $500,000 per Bitcoin. By knowing all these things, will I invest in Bitcoin right now? Not really, because my goal when it comes to multiplying my money fast, I have till this moment in a variety of different investments, and my latest investment was in www.earth2.io. I invested $30,000 in a matter of 3 years in www.earth2.io, and now the value of my investments is $110,000 net worth. Aside from the monthly $200, $300 passive income, sometimes it can reach up to $1,000. My highest ROI from this kind of investment was $7,000 in 1 month as a passive income. That was because I sold some of my in-game assets that I had more than enough at this point in time.